Okay, business marketing pathway students, a really quick tutorial on how to turn in your Gamestar Mechanic game from episode 5 into the assignment in Google Classroom. There's a way to get the link and actually turn it in with the link. So once you're in Gamestar Mechanic like this, you will go to the workshop and your game or games should show up here, and you will click right on the game and you should come to a screen that looks like this. So it'll show your title, it'll show your rules, it'll show any people who have played it with their ratings, and over here in this section is where you're going to find this link button. So you will click that link and you will double click so it's all highlighted, Control C to copy, and then let's go find Google Classroom to turn this into. So Google Classroom, and log into my student identity, and Gamestar Mechanic episode number 5. So 2 things that you need to do. You need to give me a screenshot of missions 1 through 4, and you also need to give me the link of the game. So I will go over here. Oh, that is not, it's not the student one. Let's see. I'm gonna sign in first for that. Okay, now we can see what's going on. That was the teacher view. Okay, Gamestar Mechanic number 5 says it's missing. I'm going to turn that in. So here's the link that I copied from before, and then I want to go back to Gamestar Mechanic and get my screenshot. So I can go to Quest and go to episode 5 here. Now there is a way to print this screen. I think it's Window and then the print screen button, or what you can do is give me a screenshot of all of these completed. So I would do the snipping tool and make sure that I've got all of this showing, and so I can see complete, 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 and complete, because I can see the green with the check mark, and that's it. So I'm going to get that screenshot, call it episode 5 screenshot so I don't lose it. It's in my downloads. Okay, go back to Google Classroom and attach that as well. So that's going to be a file in my downloads, and there it is. And my Gamestar Mechanic episode 5 will be finished once I have those 2 things attached. And once I have a collection of everybody's games, then I can put them into a consolidated form, and we will play each other's games with comment sheets coming up either tomorrow or next week. Alright, that's it. I'll see you back in class.